Imagine holding a conversation where some of your words sound like the clicks you'd make to call a horse or get someone's attention. For a handful of communities in southern Africa, this is everyday life. Their languages feature click sounds, unique speech elements produced by popping the tongue against various parts of the mouth. These clicks aren't just quirky add-ons, they're essential building blocks, forming the core of words and meanings. Some languages even have over a dozen different clicks, each with subtle distinctions that can change a word's meaning entirely. Creating these sounds involves intricate movements. The tongue, teeth, and roof of the mouth work together in a way that's rare among the world's spoken languages. While most of us use clicks only for nonverbal cues, speakers of these languages wield them with remarkable precision and fluency. Intriguingly, these sounds have occasionally leapt into neighboring languages, carried by centuries of cultural contact and exchange. So next time you snap your tongue, remember, what seems like a simple noise to you is, for others, a vital tool for sharing stories, traditions, and daily life, woven deeply into the fabric of their communication.